Sammy Douglas Kamau of DCP 35,440. So I request Sammy Douglas Kamau to step forward so that I can hand over this certificate to him, I being the returning officer for this Ol Kalou by-election. Maybe if the spouse can accompany him, that would be grateful. So, the constituency returning officer hereby declares that Sammy Douglas Kamau of ID number 238-76118 has been duly elected as the member of National Assembly for Ol Kalou constituency in the election held on 16th day of July 2026, signed by myself, Anthony M. Jiraini, the returning officer for this by-election. Congratulations, Mheshimiwa.
Thank you. Apa pernah hal yake?